Hey, guess what? I'm in Oahu with my friend over here. He's the greatest dessert eater. He knows how to eat sweets. But who's the fastest chef? Okay, big shake of the man in the pan. Yay! Wow, man, I'm so excited. I'm here in Oahu and I'm with a celebrity. He's a big star in Japan. Welcome to Man and the Pan. Yes, sir. So Yamada-san.
Yes.
We're gonna make a real simple tataki.
Tataki?
Okay, yeah. Ahi Tataki.
Ahi Tataki.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, わかりますか?
わかります。Ahi
You
Tataki.
see, when we're in Japan, this is how we talk. We have hard time communicate, but we have good fun together, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, Yamada-san,
Yes.
the first thing you do,
Yeah.
right? This is called ahi.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Japan, what do we call it?
Maguro.
Maguro.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do, tataki, you have to make it a little thicker. So I'm gonna cut it down this way, just like this. Okay? Look at this nice piece here,
Yeah.
right? So first thing I do,
Yeah.
I got a bowl, right? You can make ahi tataki many different ways. I put flour.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, flour, come out. Okay.
Yeah.
See, just like that. Yeah? Then I put in some shoyu.
Yeah.
We have aloha shoyu today.
Aloha shoyu.
Aloha! Yeah, okay?
Okay.
Put in some shoyu. Okay? Just like that. Okay?
Okay.
Then I add in some, put in some sriracha sauce. Make it a little bit more spicy. You know why I want to mix it like this? People see my muscle now. Somebody said, Kuriso, your muscle not on the arm, it's over here in the mouth. But that's okay. Mix it up.
Yeah.
You see, just like this. Yeah? Okay?
Okay.
Now, I grab this fish, right?
Yeah.
And I marinate it just like that. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Yamada-san.
Hi.
First thing, put on fire. Yeah?
Yeah.
Then you put on the pan. Yeah. And you put in squishy oil in here.
Hi.
Go. Okay, Yamada-san. I think now it's hot. Whew! Atsui. Hot. Yes, sir. Yeah? Then I get fish. Yeah?
Yeah.
We call it ahi, but you call it maguro, okay? Okay, then you fry it. Just like that, but this is tataki, so you just fry a little bit on the side. Yeah. Then I get this ready, like little bit, throw away a little bit. Actually, put them in the refrigerator. Okay, just fry a little bit. Just burn the side a little bit, just like this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you see, just like this. You see, huh? わかりますか?
ここまでわかります。
Yamada-san, this guy is too good,
Yeah.
I really like Yamada-san because he has many talents. He can, went to Ikuzen Takata, we built table, yeah?
Yes.
面白かったよ. Yeah. I just will put them on ice, cool it off. Okay. But you put it in the refrigerator, just like that, right? I just cool it off, but it should be in the refrigerator so that thing stop cooking. Okay? わかります.
わかります。
Okay.
はい。
Okay. But since we're outside, let's go and do it like this. Okay? Okay, Yamada-san.
Hi.
Now, you gotta cool off like this, right? Then you cut. Perfect! Oh!
Perfect.
Oh, look at this! Yamada-san!
Nice color.
Nice color! Oh, 上手! Oh! Okay, you take, I take. Come on, let's eat. Okay? Here you go.
Yeah.
はい。
はい。
はい。Yamada-san, おいしい。とってもおいしい。
Good.
Until next time, Yamada-san and I, we will see you on the Man in a Pen. Aloha!
Aloha.
Come on, yeah!